Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a backup camera in a Kia Sorento. First, let's prepare by gathering our necessary tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket wrench, and a new backup camera. Always ensure your replacement camera is compatible with your specific Sorento model. Safety is paramount, so park your vehicle on a flat surface and firmly engage the parking brake before starting any work. This simple preparation saves time and ensures a smooth replacement process. Now let's access the old camera. Begin by opening your Kia Sorento's rear liftgate completely. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the inner liftgate panel. There are typically several clips holding it in place, so work slowly to avoid damage. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for the liftgate light, allowing you to fully remove the trim piece. This exposes the camera's mounting area. With the trim panel removed, you will see the backup camera assembly. It is typically secured by two 10mm nuts. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these nuts. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the old camera unit out from its housing. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old camera, then immediately connect it to your new replacement camera. Ensure the connection is snug and secure for proper function. Now, let's finish up. Carefully place the new camera into its housing and secure it with the two 10mm nuts you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened firmly, but do not over-tighten. Before fully reattaching the trim panel, reconnect all electrical connectors to the interior liftgate trim. Then, turn on your vehicle and shift into reverse to test the new camera's functionality. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the inner liftgate trim panel, pressing firmly to engage all clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.